Hello, you're watching TV12 and I am Kripa Seth with you. A major blow to the Indian stock market as Donald Trump announces a 25% tariff on Indian goods. Let's break down how this decision is shaking up sectors, stocks and investor confidence. A major announcement by former US President Donald Trump has sent shockwaves around Indian financial markets. Trump has proposed a 25% tariff on Indian imports, and as a result, the Indian stock market witnessed a massive crash within minutes of opening. In just the first 15 minutes of trade, investors lost nearly 5 lakh crore. The total market capitalization of BSE listed companies dropped from 548.8 lakh crore to 543.3 lakh crore. This clearly shows how Trump's aggressive policy has triggered intense volatility in the Indian markets. The oil and gas sector took the biggest hit. Stocks of key companies like Indian Oil Corporation, ONGC, BPCL, Gujarat Gas and Mahanagar Gas were seen trading deep in the red. Big companies such as Reliance Industries, Bharti Airtel, Titan, SBI, Tata Motors and Mahindra also faced sharp declines. However, some stocks managed to stay positive, including Hindustan Unilever, NTPC and Power Grid. The financial instability also impacted the Indian rupee, which opened at 87.66 against the US dollar and quickly slid to 87.75 before recovering 14 paise later in the day. The BSE Sensex plunged by 786 points, closing at 80.695, while the Nifty 50 dropped 212.8 points. Meanwhile, foreign institutional investors sold off shares worth 850.05 crore, adding further pressure to the market. Trump's tariff announcement means higher taxes on Indian goods entering the US, directly affecting the profitability of Indian exporters. This move could shake investor confidence and further strain India's economic outlook. Trump's America First policy has already targeted countries like China, Europe and Mexico in the past. Now, India has entered that list, bringing with it fresh challenges for the economy and stock market. So what do you think about Trump's bold move? Will the Indian markets recover soon, or is this the beginning of more troubles? Let us know your thoughts in the comment box and keep watching TV12 for more updates.